Agriculture in Jharkhand is primarily rain-fed and has humid to subhumid tropical monsoon type of climate. Agriculture here is characterized by undulating terrain, shallow soil depth, low water retention capacity, poor soil fertility, and fragmented landholding with limited irrigation potential. Rainfall is often with high intensity, causing a severe soil erosion, and erratically distributed with prolonged dry spells. In recent decade, extreme weather events like drought have considerably increased. On average, monthly maximum temperature and high variability in rainfall have made agriculture unpredictable and challenging for the small and marginal farmers.
In this era of global climate change, Jharkhand is also experiencing some changes in climate. To summarize it, that is, annual rainfall has been increasing decade after decade, but its distribution has become very, very erratic for the last few years. That is causing agricultural drought. Not only rainfall, temperature is also in increasing trend, particularly maximum temperature has increased during summer and minimum temperature has decreased during winter. So summers have become hotter and winters have become colder. So this change of temperature is also putting adverse effect in Kharif as well as Rabi crop.
Ranchi and East Simbhom are the two districts that are heavily dependent on agriculture for their main source of livelihoods and income. These districts are strongly affected by climate change. These districts represent Jharkhand as one of the three pilot states of the project known as Establishment of Climate Change Knowledge Network in Indian Agriculture CCKN-IA. This project is implemented by GIZ, German International Corporation, on behalf of Ministry of Agriculture, Government of India. At state level, the project is implemented in cooperation with the State Agriculture Department.
The objective of CCKN-IA is to develop a robust network of knowledge to increase farmers' capacities to adapt to the impacts of climate change and to provide climate-smart solutions. This multidisciplinary approach consists of expert groups at the national, state and district level, providing data, information and climate-smart knowledge at various levels to various stakeholders.
To provide localized quality, relevant and timely advisories to farmers, CCKN-IA project has developed an open source web solution called Network for Information on Climate Exchange, known as NICE. NICE allows existing knowledge producing organizations to create contents, translate, validate, and disseminate contents in form of SMS, one-pager, and videos.
We are working as a team in the field of model project on climate change in Jharkhand to provide relevant and timely information to farmers. We are following a consortium approach. We are working very closely with State Agriculture Department, District Agriculture Offices, State Agriculture Management Extension and Training Institute, Birsa Agriculture University, Agriculture Science Center, that is KVK, Meteorological Department and NGOs.
The content development process is an important step. In CCKN-IA project, content need assessment is conducted every season in close consultation with farmers and scientists from agriculture science centers. Based on the inputs, content is developed by scientists from agriculture science centers locally known as Krishi Vigyan Kendra. These content is translated to local language and later validated by subject matter specialists. Overall, content flow management is supervised by State Agriculture Management Extension and Training Institute, Samiti.
We believe information is power. In order to adapt to the changing climate, we need to provide timely, relevant, and hyper-localized information to the farmers. We in CCKN project are working very closely with the field extension agents. We provide them training on use of ICT, climate smart agriculture practices, and management of insects, pests, and diseases. These field extension agents are key personnel in our project as they have a direct interface with the farmers in sharing information. We, along with the State Agriculture Department, are working very intensively to develop their capacities.
For effective dissemination of information to the farmers, CCKN-IA is using a cadre of field extension agents equipped with NICE application on their tablet and in emergency situations, short messages. The field extension agent registers farmers' basic details on this tablet. He has an access to all validated and disseminated contents, which can be easily shared with all other farmers. In the CCKN-IA pilot areas of Jharkhand, field extension agents receive bi-weekly agromet advisories that contain information on weather forecast, weekly agriculture advisories, and climate adaptation practices. This information is regularly handwritten on blackboards that have been constructed at the center of the village. This information is read, analyzed, and discussed by the farmers for adopting the farming practices.
मौसम के संबंध में जानकारी, कृषि की जानकारी और पशुपालन के संबंध में जानकारी हमारे जो टेब है उसमें आती है, जिसको मैं नियमित अपने ब्लैक बोर्ड पर लिखा करता हूं और ये पढ़ करके ग्रामवासी काफ़ी फ़ायदा ले रहे हैं। ये जानकारी हमारे CCKN-IA के द्वारा जो चलाई जा रही है, ये हम लोगों के लिए बहुत ही वरदान साबित हो रहा है।
मौसम संबंधित काफ़ी जानकारी हम लोग को मिलता है और इसमें जानकारी लेकर के खेतीबाड़ी भी कर रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ पशुपालन का भी जानकारी इस संबंध में मिल रहा है और इस संबंध में काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण हम लोग का है।
हम लोग का कोई भी सब्जी हो, जैसे हो गया टमाटर, आलू या तो धान, इसमें कीड़ा मकोड़ा लग जाता है। उसमें जैसे हम लोग का गांव वाले किसान मित्र हैं, उससे हम लोग बात करते हैं, बताते हैं कि हम लोग का धान में से कीड़ा लग गया है और वो हम लोग को जानकारी देते हैं कि क्या दवा लगाना चाहिए और उसमें हम लोग बोलते भी हैं कि हम लोग को ला दीजिए दवा, हम लोग उसमें लगाएंगे। दवा लगाते हैं तो कीड़ा मतलब मर जाता है, मरने के बाद ठीक हो जाता है, फिर हम लोग उसमें फ़ायदा लेते हैं।
Another important feature is collecting questions and feedback from the farmers. The field extension agent can also upload farmers' questions and their feedback to the NICE system for suggestions and improvements.
किसानों को जो भी समस्या है वो हम तक लेकर आते हैं और उन समस्याओं को हम बताने की कोशिश करते हैं और अगर मेरे स्तर से हो पाता है तो अच्छा है और नहीं तो हम लोग एक फ़ोटो लेते हैं और उसे CCKN में भेज देते हैं और वहाँ से वैज्ञानिक उसका हल निकाल करके भेजते हैं हम तक और फिर किसानों को हम लोग जाकर फिर बताते हैं।
CCKN-IA focuses on cooperation among different agencies and two-way communication with farmers. Farmers help improving the system with every query they post on NICE.
CCKN-IA is an innovative project. With this project, we are trying to provide localized climate smart information to the farmers of the pilot districts. With this information, the farmers of the targeted area try to adapt in different climates and taking decision in different climatic situations. The other Government of India centrally sponsored program, we are trying to converge with this CCKN-IA, like bringing green revolution in Eastern India, National Food Security Mission, Atma program, National Mission on Sustainable Agriculture, and Pradhan Mantri Gram Krishi Sinchai Yojana.
CCKN-IA project has shown how important cross-sectoral knowledge management is in the field of climate change adaptation. With high level of ICT penetration in rural areas, CCKN-IA provides a very unique solution for using technology to leverage information for the benefits of those who are in most need, the farmers.